Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lindale local and long-distance movers near me. Moving your stuff across a distance of at least 50 miles is referred to as long-distance moving. We can transport your belongings safely within state, local, and across state lines. We have a solid working relationship with the federal and municipal entities in charge of the relocation process. We also have insurance plans to address any potential dangers that may arise during and after the move. Our movers are familiar with big cities and busy areas, so that we can move your belongings without any issues. Our professional movers and drivers ensure that your possessions arrive at their destination safely and on time. Our clients are never taken advantage of because our services are reasonably priced. We are no exception to the rule that a local move is significantly less expensive than a long-distance one. Our local moving costs are relatively affordable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our local movers are the best in the field, and they're committed to planning the move meticulously and making the best decisions possible. You can also inquire about us. Many happy clients will be glad to tell you about their experiences with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lindale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.